Hi friends, hope you're doing fine. So today, as a part of our new features discovery, we are going to discuss about some important tool uh, of Red Hat, that is Red Hat support tool or Red Hat Insight, and we will discuss if we have any kind of issues related to software or managing Red Hat repository or any kind of issues which is related to uh, Red Hat products, then how we can raise the case with Red Hat, how we can explore their knowledge bases, and how we can create a ticket, support ticket with Red Hat, and how we can continuously follow with their people, how we can generate a system report with SOS system report, and how we can share those reports, what exactly there inside the system report, SOS report mm, generated by system admin. And so this is a really very good tool for Red Hat tool. And you know that this tool can work on your server, cell prompt. You can directly create a ticket. You can generate a report, system report. You can share those reports from your server, and you can continuously monitor all those important parameters with Red Hat Insights. So today we are going to discuss completely on these things: how to configure your system with Red Hat support tool, how you can register with Red Hat server with Red Hat Insights, how we can collect system reports. That we are going to see. So we have a live demonstration on all those things, which is really very important for system admin to know, particularly because these Red Hat 8 hybrid cloud, um, this thing is little bit different, and we need to know how to do all those things that we are going to discuss, and what are the benefits we are having with the Red Hat support tool and Red Hat Insights that we are going to see today. So today we have another important session. So you know that the Red Hat support services is a place to announce the introduction of Red Hat Access and Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So we can create, manage, update, and attach files to Red Hat support cases, conveniently cases exclusive Red Hat knowledge and solution. We can search by error codes, messages to their knowledge based sites, knowledge from the Red Hat support customer portal. And you know, you can do all those things on your cell, interactive cell, non-interactive cell. And today we are going to see all those things. How are the ways we can create open case, how we can do all those things from server itself. So Red Hat support tool is one of the important utility which works both on cell and single execution program. And you know that once you install this utility, you can, if you have a subscription, you can create support cases ticket from the server itself, and you can check with the error codes any new products or anything which is important, like they had customer portal user. If you need any kind of help, anything, what exactly, you can directly check with Red Hat support tools that we will see today. And particularly, you can register your username and password on server to register the Red Hat support tool to the customer portal using interactive mode. how you can do by self prompt, that we are going to see today. How you can, after installation of Red Hat support tool, you can configure, you can attach your server directly with the Red Hat, and after that you can create a cases, you can install system report, SOS report, and you can pass those report with and attach those report with the support cases, so that the Red Hat team can also support and check all those issues which is raised by system admin. So how we can do all this thing in the interactive cell mode, and how we can generate a SOS report, and what exactly there is there inside SOS report, that we are going to see. So exactly, if you see how to provide files to Red Hat support, production server crashed, how to attach a document, screenshot, crash dump, how we can provide. After hard reboot, collected data like TCP dump, stress, top, VM state, IO state, these are the important reports for analysis. And how can we do all those things by SOS reports? These, because one by one, issuing the one by one command, it will take a lot of time. So we are using SOS report, so that SOS report can collectively collect all those reports, and we can share those reports with the Red Hat team. So you can install SOS report is a tool to collect troubleshooting data. It generates a compressed tarball after installation, and you can generate a report, system report. It will collect all those important things. So what are the things we have in the SOS that we are going to see today? We have a file system information, we have a memory details, we have a host name, we have a file system information, we have memory details, we have a host name, we have a list of installed RPM, system IP, network details, operating system version, installed kernel, list of loaded kernel models, list of open file, PCI devices, printing process information, everything, whatever the important thing parameter which is needed in order to troubleshoot the system, that all the report it's collecting in one shot in minimum time, and you can pass this information to the Red Hat support team to troubleshoot all those informations. And you can also do the like collect all this report to understand what exactly happened in the system inside. And these are the SOS is one of the important utility that we have in Red Hat. How to generate generally, particularly in so if you are talking about Solaris, we have a Sun Explorer. It will collect all the information. Similarly, in Red Hat 8, we have a SOS. And today we are going to see the installation, and we will create a report, system report, and we will see what exactly there inside those reports and Red Hat insights. If you want to proactively identify and remediate security issues, compliance issues, configuration risk in Red Hat Enterprise Linux environment, you can also do by Red Hat Insights. You can enable your system and proactively diagnose your system and downtime related to security exploit, performance degradation, and stability failure. You can use the dashboard to quickly identify the key risks to stability, security, performance. So you can attach your servers with Red Hat Insights satellite server, and you can proactively identify the security related issues, compliance related issues, configuration risk related issues, and you can save your downtime. So how we can do all those things with Red Hat Insights? You can you can register your subscriptions with the Red Hat subscription manager, and Red Hat Insight can be used on all Red Hat support with versions. In Red Hat 8 also, Red Hat 8 ships with the Insight client package pre-installed, and you can also attach the server with Red Hat server, Red Hat Insights, and generate. It will help you to for security related issues, compliance related issues. It will proactively measure all those important parameters which make systems vulnerable, create a problem for future. So if you want to proactively measure all those things, you can register your server with the Red Hat Insights that you can do. So these are the important things we are going to discuss today. So we'll see. So we have a how we can do Red Hat support tool, how we to install SOS, and how we can register. And one of the important thing that actually we also given the links for the support cases we are going to discuss today. So here you can see this is the Red Hat Insights dashboard. You can install the client on the RHEL system with using YAML install insights client, register the system with Red Hat Insight, getting started documentation. You can see we have an advisory board here. You can see here. You can check all those tabs. You can check the vulnerability, what exactly there in that, and you can also go for compliance related things. If any new patches coming, it will also check all those things. You can see that this is the Red Hat Insights sites. It will give, in order to proactively measure all your system related issues, you can register your servers with Red Hat Insights, and Red Hat will check all those important issues. You can see that it will give you the message, upcoming maintenance and announcement, compliance related thing. You can check the reports. If your system is attached with Red Hat Insights, you can check all those reports to actively measure your system. And if you want any new kind of patch related information, if you want to see, Red Hat Insights will help all those important things. Patch is not yet configured right now. It is not configured. Policies, if you want to configure, inventory related, remediation related, everything you can measure it here in the Red Hat Insight tool. And one of the important thing, if you want to in the Red Hat customer portal, we have, if you need any kind of information related to the product and services, security, that you can also go and check what exactly the new things which is coming on. You can see that all those information, related information, you can watch here. You can see here the tools, what are the configuration, deployment, troubleshooting, package related things. You can check here. And if you want to raise a ticket, you can also chat with the support team. You can, there are several issues related to the account, customer related, defect related. if you want to know the cause analysis, that you can create a ticket directly with Red Hat team here with the graphical user interface. You can create a case here with the Red Hat team, and it will give you that what kind of defect you are having. If you want to know it's a defect or bug, you can go for that. So what kind of platform you have? Red Hat Satellite, let us suppose OpenShift container platform you have. So what exactly the issues you are? There are some suggestions, integration related, networking related, install upgrading or migrating related. So you can check all those things. You can troubleshoot your systems related to the OpenShift related, installing related. You can create a tickets with the Red Hat support team. You can drag and drop or browse to upload a file. You can upload your diagnostic files here. You can manage everything with the Red Hat customer port. Everything you can do by graphically, but we can also do it by cell prompt that we are going to see today. So let us log in onto the server. So here in this server, I just logged in. So we will we'll install Red Hat support team first. So here we will install the Red Hat support tool. With the Red Hat support tool, you can create a ticket directly from the server itself, and you can create a system report, and you can share those reports with the Red Hat teams. So here you see that installing the Red Hat support tool, we have several dependencies. We need these packages as well. Python 3, Python 36. These tool is required. Red Hat support lib Python. So let us install these packages first. It will take some time. So now all this product got installed here. You can see that now Red Hat support tool is installed. Now let us use that tool. Once you run that tool, it will show you that the command, what are the help you want. If you type, so you can see that you can search for any kind of keywords. You can add a chat attachment, you can add comment, you can analyze, you can diagnose, use the diagnose command to send a file, a directory containing. You can create a cases, you can generate a cases, you can open a cases, use the open case command to open a new support case. So if you want config help, so you can see that config help is giving a lot of options. The Red Hat customer portal user, critical, any kind of error, debug reports, that you can do that. So if you have a subscriptions, you can so here what exactly we are doing here. Let us suppose once you run that, if you have open cases, then you can generate the open case You can say that any kind of issues related with that servers, what are the issues you are having. You can say open cases product Red Hat Enterprise Linux version 8. So it will ask you the RHN ID. So you can provide those ID if you want. So it will save your information, user ID information in the server itself. If you want that your user information like you want to save in the server, then you can do that. Other if you don't want, you can say is keep that. What is the password of it? If you want to store your password on the server, you can do that. If you don't want, you can skip. So if you want to raise a ticket with the team, what exactly the issue? You can say that Red Hat repository issue corrupted. Now here, if you say Control D, it will generate a ticket for you with Red Hat team. And after that, those tickets you can follow up with the Red Hat support team with those tickets. But here right now, I'm for demonstration purpose I'm doing. So I'm will description what exactly the issues happen. So the description you can keep the complete description with the Red Hat team, so that they can also help you with those issues. What exactly? So you can describe and control D on empty line with when complete. So right now, actually, I don't want to raise because this is for demonstration purpose. I'm just showing you. But if you after giving the description, you can the report will be generated after pressing Control G. But right now, I don't want to generate all those things. But you can raise a ticket with the GUI tool also. You can sell interactive mode. You can also do all those things that we have that we are seeing those things. So like after generating the ticket, how you can generate the system report, SOS report that we are going to see today. So we can simply say yum install SOS. So it will install, it will check the repository, yum repository, and it will take some time for generating system. So if you can see here in the slide itself, uh, we can, what are the things we can collect, like production server crashed, how to attach a document, crash dump, how we can attach file to the Red Hat support cases thing. What are the things we are having? So we also discussed about that interactive cell mode. We can also raise a ticket with GUI tool mode. We can also raise a ticket. You can configure your username and subscriptions also. So these things we already checked. So here you can see the SOS is ready to install. So RHEL 8 now ready to install that. So SOS is ready. Now with the SOS, you can generate a report, system report, and you can share those report with the Red Hat team as well. So what exactly there inside the Red Hat SOS that we are going to see today. So how we can check what are the things we are having that I will show you. So let us see if we want to see what are the things we can do. You can show the help messages and you can enable all options for loaded plugins. You can collect all available logs. You can specify the case identifier here. You can create a dump report related to memory packages related. You can enable and disable the plugins with the SOS. You can see here, you can create a debug report. So how we can generate all those things? If you want only some specific thing needs to be generated, don't want to do all those things, but you can specify those options and you can create the report and customize your report according to that. Okay. So now let us generate a report with a system report. I want to generate it. So let us start with SOS report. So it will take some time. So it will check all those parameters which is required. And I already told you what exactly the things it will collect all those information here. I already provided here. It will check the file system information, memory information, host name, system IP, network details, OS version, kernel models, PCI devices, process information. Every information it will check. These files are usually located in the etc directory and the var log directory. It will check all those information and collect all those information and create a one tarball file. So here you can see after running these, it will give you this command will collect diagnostic and configuration information from this Red Hat Enterprise Linux system installed applications. So if you want to collect all those information, you can do that. So I want to do that. So it will show you, please enter the case ID. If you have a case ID created, you can give the case ID here. By demo purpose, I am giving 1234. It will now start creating a checking all those things like setting up an archive, setting up plugins. It will check all those things here and create a system report. And you can share those reports with the Red Hat team, and you can also check those reports for troubleshooting purpose. So, so here you can see it will check plugins, kernel models. So here, this will take a little bit time. So we have another system over here where we have created a generated the report. So you can see as well as report have generated over here. So what exactly there inside the SOS report that you can see here. It will collect user information, where boot related informations, all those parameters you can see here. The link it is creating, uptime, host name, DMID code information. It will say VG information, username, LS mode information, net state, free, route, last, LSPCI, PS3 information. Every information it is collecting right now. And you can see SOS reports here. If you SOS logs information, you can see it here. You can check the SOS commands related information, strings, SOS strings related information. You can see here. Let us go inside the SOS reports and see what are the things we are having here. So you can see SOS text related information. What exactly is there? You can see what are the command it got executed. Every commands XFS related, words, video commands got executed, USB related commands got executed, udev command. So it will give you, these are the commands got executed in your system to collect the report. So if I want to see in JSON format or HTML format, you can collect that SOS. That in HTML format, if you want to see those reports, that you can also do that. You can download those things here. So now, apart from the SOS report here, if you see here, see right now it's collecting all those informations. You can see all the information, KDAMP related, grab related information. It will check all those things, running all the informations and collecting all those reports right now. You can see plugins related information has been completed here. So it will collect all the packages related information, all boot file related, system routing, logs, everything it will collect. And it will take a lot of time. But here we have already collected here in one server that I already showed you. So if you want to know anything related to LSOF, what exactly is there, it will give you that. You can see here all those informations in the system. HTTP related, and if you want to know about netstat, it will give you that information. All port, everything, whatever it is connected, that report get generated here. And these reports is required in order to troubleshoot any kind of system related information, because we need information what exactly all those information is getting collected by SOS. And if you want to know about SOS strings. Here you can see the jar files. You can check all those what exactly see jar file informations. So this the way we can do all version informations. If you want to know about the version information, you can see what are the versions we have. So let's see whether system. So here the my support cases, it's already collected all those information. You can see the compressed archive is ready. So your system SOS report has been created and saved in this file. This is the tarball SOS report has been generated. You can send this report to the support representative. Will say with case ID here, whatever the case ID you have given, with the case ID, you can send those reports. And if you want to extract the report here and want to troubleshoot yourself, that you can also do that. So right now I'm extracting that report right now. See, it will collect all the informations right now. It's collecting all those information. So now you can see here my SOS report is ready. Same thing, all the information has been collected over here. See the VG display, host, host name, route related information. So you can see here PS3, all the process ID, EMI decode. You can see that all the information is so everything system entire system report is getting generated over with that now. Everything you can check here. So these are the things that we can do with the redhat support tool, and it's quite easy to use, quite easy to follow up, and you can create a system report. You can provide those reports and share those reports with your team members as well to troubleshoot system issues related, and you can simultaneously follow up with the Red Hat team as well if you have issues in your systems, that we can also do that. So today we saw all those things, particularly in the Red Hat features. We have seen what exactly the Red Hat support tool, how we can install that tool, and how we can create a ticket, how we can take a maximum advantage with the Red Hat support tool. And we also checked how to create a ticket with that, and how we can register with the Red Hat support tool, and what are the things we are having in how we can generate a ticket, how we can create and follow up a ticket. And we have also seen like how to install SOS system report, how we can generate system reports, how we can collect all those informations, and these things we have seen, and what are what exactly there inside the system report, what are the details we are having that we have seen today. And we have also checked that the Red Hat Insights is the site. It's just like a satellite server. You can attach your server with Red Hat Insight and do proactive measures like compliance, security, vulnerability, or any kind of issues you are having, and you want that Red Hat team should support your server. You can attach your server with Red Hat Insights, and it will you can collect all those reports proactively, and it will give you more support with Red Hat Insights. So you can go with all those sites as well. If you have a subscription, you can download those informations, patch related information. In the dashboard, you can see here, it will give you the information if any upcoming maintenance time is coming, it will announce here. So these the information is really very useful. And whatever we discussed today, this is particularly for incident management tracing cases. All those things is really very important, and it will really help everyone. I hope this session is really useful. And right now I'm closing the session. Thanks for watching.